Well, it's homecoming dance day, everybody. Welcome to episode 11 of Midnight Club LA Builds. Today we're going to be doing a Pikes Peak theme. If you're a PRI viewer, this will be your car and you're in Pikes. Please watch this video as I will be building a Dodge Charger themed after you guys. So, all performance upgrades are going to be put on. We're going to be going bumper number 3, headlights, stick stock, hoods. I'd probably say I'm going to go with number 4. Side skirts, I'm going to go number 2. Doors, I'm going to keep those stock. Neons, put that on. Obviously, we're going to make it purple. Rear bumper is going to be number 3. Spoilers, I'm going to put on number 2. Taillights, again, we're going to put on number 4. Exhausts, put on some Borlas. License plate, obviously got to change it to Colorado. And put Pikes 16. On the car. So interior, I'm gonna just keep the steering wheel stock. Gauges, I'm gonna put the number 1. Front seats, C-bones. Yeah, I know it sounds weird when I try to say it like a French guy. There we go. How about make the gauges black. Interior, white, purple, white, and white. Look at the seats. Oh yeah, purple and white interior, everybody. So rims, I'm gonna go some RSGTs. Paint. Yes, I'm gonna paint the rims purple. It's gonna look really ugly, but you know, it's worth it. All purple rims. Dimensions, I'm gonna put on some 19s. Make these some pretty beefy tires. Slam this bad boy all the way to the ground. All without rice. All without having to put in airbags. Which that won't be a thing yet. So we're good. I'm gonna go ahead and for a gloss finish this time. Spark up. Pearlescent finish. Get out of here. Put some airbags. Go zone. Now let's go. Trust me, the neon in this picture is purple. It just looks red because of the sun. once I pull into the mall, get pictures of all the peak rides that I've put together this week. Um, oh god, I'm dying. Arcade. There's favorites. Let's go South Central exit. No traffic. And let's hit it. Oh, we got some good muscle cars this time. We got an old Challenger. Oh my god, what is this? Why are there Mercedes in this race? Got a Lamborghini Mira. Oh, he dead. I just put him into a freaking barrier, y'all. Let this fool in the Charger go. Just buy me, bud. There you go. Oh my god, he's on his roof just from that. I am a god. Gonna put on a shield. I am in a ball. Another one. Oh. Not drive. Oh god. Driving hard enough for. Oh my god, they're wrecking. And you consider this mean. Oh my god, everybody is wrecking on the map. Wow. Okay. Go ahead and pick up our 5th can of nitro. Pull into this parking lot for a football stadium. Holy Jesus. Walls don't give, everyone. Walls eat cars and destroy them. Oh, that guy's not getting by me. He ain't moving. Oh. Oh, don't worry about that, pal. You're probably going to be sliding right about now if I can catch you. Yeah, who can manage? You can't manage me freezing your ass in this car. And oh my god, everybody is wrecking. Nobody can figure out where to go. It's kind of nice. Look at that. I'm flying right now. I'm gone. I'm basically checked out, and this is medium difficulty, by the way. Bullcrap is obviously real in this one, as I've learned that. Hey, it's raining. Or foul factor. Not. You're right. Especially since I have more nitrous than you. So I should. Look at that. With performance upgrades, this and all the nitrous and stuff, this car can get up to 219 in a straight line. Look at that. I'm flying down this down the highway right now. Yeah, I'm drifting. Probably committing suicide by drifting in the rain. Ow. Ouch. What the hell? Well, that was random. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and pull off in this road. Number 2. Let's go. Wait, do this. No. I'm gonna view the map, not delete the map. Wilshire. 4th Street. Let's see what we do here. Let's go up and hold water for this next race. Nice. So my neon can actually show off and actually be visible. Yeah, I put an underglow neon that's purple. Yeah, it kind of is. Just like the fact that I'm going to beat all of you with my charger, y'all. I'm going to beat every single one of you with this charger right now. Interior neon and everything. This car is literally just a giant blob of purple. All right. And I'm in 4th. Let you get by me here, buddy. Nope, you're dead. You're dead too. Moron. Look, he's gonna oh, yeah, he's dead. He's dead. He's dead right now. Alright. Holy crap. Did Snoop Dogg just make a Pimp My Ride reference? And the line Ghost Ride, involving ghost riding a whip? Just gonna be drifting around this nice little bend here. I got 4 tanks of nitrous. Should I use them? Wait for it. Oh my god, this song is ruined, censored pretty much. Harder, the better. I kind of ruined that line. That line just sounds really wrong now. Okay. Gonna just clip that, clear that. Gonna go around this bend. Go ahead and drift around this nice little corner. There we go. Going all the way up the hills, cutting through. It's actually, we've done very well, actually, compared to the crap of the last race, where nobody put in the effort. Then I'm the greatest. Duh. Oh my god, sounds like people are dying back there. Seriously, just listen to that. It sounds like people are dying. Just gonna clip this nice little turn. Wait for it. Nitrous! Oh yeah. Yeah, you're good, bro. And die in the Hollywood of stars. All right, now we gotta take pictures of all the peak cars. Plot the 64 Impala. Do it in the middle of a hydro show, of a hydraulic show. Just like that, it just cleared out. I got a place to be. I'm going to go to the mall and do some bounces. And I'll pull in here. Basically break every law of traffic. Look at that. This is me bouncing. Throwing it back to some of the earlier pictures in this Let's Play that I'll probably save over. When I donked out that Mercedes. That was back when I donked out the Mercedes. I was just doing a hydraulic show. Relax. Ah, crap. I'm out of here. Crap. Ugh. Now I gotta plot the Longs Peak Lambo. AKA probably one of the fastest and most dangerous cars in the game. Watch me cruise to this. Sorry, I got a place to be involving the mall. Shit. Just do some turns for a while. Oh, yeah. Oh, God. Does a cop see me? I think I'm screwed here. I think I see a cop behind me. Well, oh, God. Cops. Oh, jeez. I'm dead. I just, sorry. Sorry, Longs. Sorry, Longs Peak. I'm destroying your Lambo in a police chase. Sorry. Sorry. Probably shouldn't have done that. Ah, crap. Did not want to do it. Didn't want to do this. Didn't want to do this. Didn't want to do this. Gonna cut right through here. Oh, they got it. Can't see it. Can't see me. I'm John Cena, y'all. Y'all can't see me in this Lambo. Y'all got these moves. I don't got these moves. I don't got them. I don't got them. I don't got them. Okay. No, jeez. I'm in oncoming traffic with nitrous. That is a recipe for death. Oh. Okay. Hold the phone. Sorry, technical difficulties. Crap. Technical issues. Sorry, guys. I'll get to the other two peaks in a moment, or in a few moments. While we wait things out here. Sorry, this episode may run a little long. Just some technical issues coming up. Unfortunately. Probably should pick my picture at a better location for this car. For that car. And check my photo album here. Check that out. See if I got all the pictures so far. There's longs. There's longs. We got capital. Now I gotta go to the garage. I just love how the stereo read "Big Dreams" by The Game when it was clearly playing this game, the Midnight Club LA theme song. Now I gotta pull out my Audi, the Audi RS4. Did I just hear a cat meowing in the background? Welcome to downtown LA, everyone. Go ahead and creep up through here. Hopefully no cops see me. Don't damage the car, don't damage the car, don't damage the car. Don't damage the car, don't damage the car. We'll stop here. Hey! The police know what car I'm driving. And I give to you Evans. Alright, I gotta get this picture here. Now we gotta pull out Pikes, aka the charger I just made. Before this episode got drug out because my PS3 decided to freeze up on me. Go ahead and pull out a SRT8. Again, it's the benefit of having everything free is because I wanted to do this series. The Minor Cup song. It's the Minor Cup song that I drunkenly did. And I just punted my own minivan. Sorry, bud. I got a place to be. And pull to a stop here. Hey, lady. Whoa, I'm drunk and I can't stop. I'm drunk. Go ahead and do some burnouts here. Wait for the bumper to come around. Oh my god. Goes to the let's place the Range Rover. Let's get out of here. And just like that, it's the end of Hulko week of me building Midnight Club LA Peak themed cars. Again, if this game had rate my ride on PS3 up and I had a decent internet connection, I would actually consider selling these cars. Selling these cars online for players of this game to buy and use in their career. But unfortunately, Rockstar decided to kill PS3 online support for this game. and the social club support for this game as well. Which means I can't sell them. In the meantime, if you guys like this video, make sure to click the like button, throw some comments, click that subscribe button, follow me on social media, and hope you guys have rested a good rest of your afternoon. And hopefully I can see some of you tonight at the Homecoming Dance. But in the meantime, just to show off, I'm going to send this car flying through the air. Oh, God. Airtime. Hope you guys have a good rest of your afternoon.